All right, what is up, folks? I have a very interesting update on XRP. It has been a while since we've talked about XRP on this channel. There's some very interesting things happening with Wall Street bets and some very interesting pumpage that we've been seeing. So in this video, I'm gonna run through some technical analysis, at least try, and talk about what I see happening with XRP. We'll talk about why it's been pumping, the Wall Street bet situation, how that's moving over into crypto. So yeah, let's delve into this, guys. So just to explain briefly what's been happening with XRP and kind of the saga and the drama that's been happening. So recently, well, not recently, but XRP had pumped over, what is it, nearly 80 cents and then crashed because around here, the SEC filed a lawsuit with Ripple to try and label it a security, which caused a bunch of American exchanges to delist XRP. So ever since then, we haven't really been talking about it because that SEC lawsuit is going to talk about is going to act as a suppressant, and there really hasn't been a whole lot of interesting things happening in the technicals. It's just been mostly moving sideways and down until very recently, where it's pumped to well over 50 cents, nearly 52 cents. What is going on here, guys? Well, Wall Street bets, the Reddit group that's taking down hedge funds, pumping Dogecoin, has apparently set its eyes on XRP. Very interesting here, as we can see a post in Wall Street bets. Apparently, they're planning to buy. They're trying to get people to buy XRP Monday morning, February 1st at 8:30 a.m. They're trying to get people to buy a bunch of XRP, which is hilarious. Look, guys, XRP with the SEC lawsuit, I gotta let my people know here. This is very risky. Okay, these pump and dump plays are extremely risky. Like, based off this news, it pumped and then look how much is dumped. Imagine if you bought here. XRP is in an apex here. This could break down and fall even further. Could fall to these levels before the news hype. See, before the news event. So you guys really got to be careful with like these pump and dumps news stories and cycles, guys. Like, sure, it's funny and maybe you can make money as a trade, but just understand the risk. I don't want to, if you're a new person and you're trying to decide where to place your hard-earned money, and you're trying to decide, like, guys, for example, I think holding for the long-term solid coins is the best way to make money in crypto, like something like Ethereum, for example. I mean, if you're trying to choose whether to speculate on a potential pump and dump hype cycle on Reddit with XRP, or something like investing in something like solid like Ethereum for the long term, I mean, geez, folks. So just to run through some brief technicals here, I mean, I guess we can mention things like XRP is in this descending triangle. It's near an apex. Whatever way we break out of this, either above this descending triangle or below it, we're likely to trend in that direction. But look, guys, I hesitate from really delving into the technicals because XRP is not being driven by technical analysis. It's being driven by news. It was the news story with the SEC that in the fundamental case with XRP that caused a dump, and it was news that caused this pump. So this is purely just like a news play. I mean, sure. I mean, we can talk about support levels. Like, I think these two green lines are kind of support levels that make sense. I mean, if we zoom out here, the kind of 37 cents and 36 cents was kind of pre-price reactive regions before. So, I mean, I guess we could technically find support there. But I mean, this is purely just a news and hype cycle play. It's not being driven by technicals. But yeah, guys, this is this is hilarious to see. I think it's ultimately a good thing that more people are being exposed to crypto, because yes, it started off with Dogecoin and XRP, two coins that are problematic and don't have the strongest fundamental use cases, to say the least. But eventually, a lot of these people are going to realize that, hey, there's other coins out there that actually have good solid fundamentals and a good chance of succeeding long term, that aren't just pump and dumps. And eventually, my hope is people that get exposed to Dogecoin and XRP hopefully eventually discover Ethereum, some of the other alts that we've been talking about on this channel, VeChain, SNX, coins that I think have solid fundamentals and that aren't pump and dumps, and that are going to be here a year from now. So, So, guys, those are my thoughts. It's honestly just very interesting to see. If anything interesting happens with XRP Monday morning, we'll definitely be talking about it on this channel, as well on our Discord group. If there's a breakout, we'll be talking about it there. Link to join our Discord will be down in the description below. Yeah, guys, I just want to share my thoughts. There's the SEC lawsuit. It's acting as a suppressant on XRP because of the delistings. Once XRP, if and when the SEC settles with XRP or whatever happens, it's deemed not a security. In that case, I think that changes the long-term equation for XRP. But if and until then, I'm not going to be buying any more XRP for my long-term bags. Maybe as a trade, I would put in like 0.25% of my portfolio to trade it. Guys, do not trade. Be extremely careful with trading leverage and trading in general. 99% of new people lose at trading. Like 90% of like actual studied traders lose. And if you're a new person trying to trade XRP on this pump and dump Reddit stuff, good luck to you. I mean, maybe some people make some money, but but you could also make money investing in the long term on solid coins. So I just wanted to make put my thoughts out there, just let the people know what's going on, kind of in this Apex, and Wall Street Bets is talking about XRP now, and we'll see what happens Monday morning, folks. Okay, y'all, take care, stay tuned to this channel. More updates to come.